When business owners think of redesigning and improving their websites, their first thought is almost always a new, shiny design. But just like a home remodel, foundational improvements must be made every couple of years to keep things running smoothly.
Absolutely. Unlike needing a licensed plumber for your bathroom remodel, many of the improvements can be purchased as add-ons from your web host, like GoDaddy, or carried out on the website in a short amount of time. For this lesson, we'll focus on those performance, security, and online visibility audits you did in a previous lesson as we move through this course, redesign and improve your website.
Let's begin with performance. The download for this course, found in the description below this video, includes a list of action items based on common performance issues. Your audit from the previous lesson may show these or additional items not included here. Since the following are the most common, we'll focus on these.
Yeah, we begin by resizing images and reducing compression. If your website is on the WordPress platform, you can use a plugin called SMUSH. If you're using another website builder, you can use a variety of online tools to resize your images. The Google page speed results may show you the code where the image is, and it may include the size it needs to be. This is the size you need to reduce to. Then re-upload your images. Again, if you have WordPress, a plugin like SMUSH, the plugin will resize and reduce without a need to re-upload.
A common note is unused CSS and JavaScript, as well as minimizing main thread work. If you are a WordPress website, look at plugins in your admin dashboard that are not in use and make sure they are deactivated. You can then install a plugin like Perf Matters or WP Rocket that will condense CSS and JavaScript for you, making your website load faster by minimizing that main thread work. If you're on another website builder platform or have a custom-built website, this note may take a professional familiar with CSS and JavaScript to carry out. If your website was created with a platform like GoDaddy's website builder, we've already taken care of this for you. All you really need to worry about is compressing images and keeping your content fresh.
Another common note concerns leveraging popular tools to load elements efficiently. Preloading images, CSS, and JavaScript is possible with a CDN or content delivery network. You can easily purchase a CDN through GoDaddy, then follow GoDaddy's instructions on how to set it up on your website.
Other improvement elements that can increase performance include swapping out homepage sliders for a static hero image. Change large background images to a simple color if there's no design benefit. Also, if you're loading fonts from your web server, swap them out for Google fonts. If you use WordPress, various plugins can supply Google fonts if they are not already included in your theme.
After these improvements, run your website through the Google Page Speeds tool again and note the results. Continue with suggestions until you get closer to those benchmarks suggested in the download.
Next is website security. Like with performance, we will go over the most common action items, including preventative measures to block malware and malicious activity.
For starters, make sure to keep any software up to date, including your CMS, such as WordPress, and plugins or themes you've installed. The Hub by GoDaddy makes this process easier.
If you're using a platform like GoDaddy's website builder, then there's nothing for you to update. The platform is managed by your provider.
We begin by getting an SSL certificate set up on your website. This can be purchased from your web host, like GoDaddy. It changes your website's URL from HTTP to HTTPS, adding a layer of encryption to protect user data transferred from the web browser to the website. You don't need to do much more but purchase this vital security measure and prove you own the domain. Most web hosts should take care of all of the steps if the SSL is purchased through them and guide you through any additional steps for more complex websites.
Next, make sure you have security scanning on the website for malware and malicious activity. You can set up this action item by installing a security plugin on WordPress or through a service from your web host. A web application firewall, or a WAF, is an additional product that blocks malicious activity from every visit to your website.
Awesome. The good news is that with GoDaddy, you can combine the need for a CDN for performance with security measures like malware scanning and a WAF with one of GoDaddy's website security plans. Implementation is not challenging here. Just purchase the plan, install it, and you're all set.
If you're not with GoDaddy, reach out to your web host for available options. There are many places to purchase these items, and if you're on WordPress, there are many plugins that can carry out these action items. If you don't have a singular plan, like from GoDaddy, then you want a plugin like Sucuri Security and a separate purchase of a WAF or firewall from Sucuri. Also, install a plugin that will carry out regular backups like Updraft or similar.
And finally, there are the action items for online visibility. If you're using a website builder or WordPress, then you'll have a simple time implementing the suggestions from your audit. The website builder should provide a space for a custom title for the page and a place for a meta description. On website builders, this will typically be in a section labeled SEO. If you have a WordPress website, install a plugin like SEO Press. This plugin will create fields on each page and post so you can enter the meta information.
If Google PageSpeed lists that you're missing this information, then go through each page of your website and choose the best title and description for the page. Don't worry too much about the keywords at the moment, just focus on how you want the page to display in the results. For more advanced SEO instruction, reference our GoDaddy YouTube channel for additional courses on how to find the best keywords for your website.
Yeah, you might see us on there. The same missing information task applies to images. Make sure each image has an alt description when using your website builder, or if you're using WordPress, from the media library.
Lastly, double check your links. Make sure your website has no broken links and that the descriptive text for these links accurately describes where the visitor is being sent.
Our download also encourages you to clean up unnecessary pages and posts so your sitemap, crawled by Google, is accurate. If you're missing a robots.txt file, use the link in the download to better understand why and get that resolved through your web host, who can guide you on the best way to generate one.
These simple action items can significantly improve your website's foundation. Most of these can be purchased for affordable pricing. The others may take some time, but are simple to implement if you're using a website builder or CMS platform like WordPress.
Design and functionality improvements can be a bit more tricky and specific, so we'll address those in the next lesson. Website audit, design and functionality.